Pluto TV's channel guide might fail to load or show outdated info due to several reasons: temporary data buildup in the cache, outdated app versions, or network connectivity issues. As of January 2026, ensure your app is up to date, especially if you're using an older device. Glitches also spike during peak hours due to high traffic. The three fundamental solutions involve refreshing the app, clearing the cache, and updating the app. These steps address the majority of common issues by forcing a reload of the channel guide, removing corrupted temporary files, and ensuring compatibility with the latest server protocols. Refreshing the app forces a reload of the channel guide, addressing transient issues like network hiccups. Clearing the cache removes corrupted temporary files, refreshing local data without affecting user preferences. Updating the app ensures compatibility with the latest server protocols for optimal performance. Refreshing the Pluto TV app forces it to reload, clearing any in-memory errors that might be causing the guide to malfunction. This is the quickest fix for temporary network hiccups. On mobile devices, swipe up to close the app completely, then relaunch Pluto TV. On smart TVs or streaming devices, exit the app fully and then relaunch Pluto TV. The Pluto TV app stores temporary files to help load content quickly. Clearing the cache refreshes this local data, which often fixes channel guide freezes. To clear the cache, go to your device's settings, find the Pluto TV app, and select Clear Cache. This action is available under Apps on most devices. Remember, clearing cache won't delete your watch history or favorites. On Roku, access this from the Roku settings under Storage. Now, watch as we simulate clearing the cache. Outdated apps can cause compatibility problems with Pluto TV's channel guide. To fix this, check for updates in your device's app store. Enable auto updates to prevent future issues automatically. Remember to grant the app necessary permissions, such as storage access for proper cache management. Here's the update process in action. Device-specific issues can occur with Pluto TV channel guides. For example, in June 2025, a Roku firmware update caused guide failures for many users. Access the Clear Cache option in Roku settings. Paramount released a patch to resolve this, highlighting the importance of platform-specific fixes. Check Pluto TV support pages for your device if issues persist. If refreshing, clearing the cache, and updating don't work, check your network connection. The channel guide requires a stable internet connection of at least 5 Mbps. Also, ensure your device meets Pluto TV's minimum system requirements, such as Android 8.0 or higher. Contact Pluto TV support if problems continue. Looking ahead, Pluto TV guides are evolving toward AI-enhanced personalization, where artificial intelligence analyzes your viewing habits to deliver tailored recommendations that match your preferences. The AI recommendation system creates a continuous feedback loop, learning from your interactions with content to suggest shows, movies, and channels you'll enjoy most. Expect integrations that connect Pluto TV with other streaming services, creating a more unified and convenient viewing experience across platforms. Service convergence will allow seamless transitions between different streaming apps, reducing the need to switch between multiple interfaces. Future improvements focus on achieving zero downtime guides through advanced infrastructure that ensures reliable access even during peak usage periods. Cloud-based guides will offload processing to remote servers, improving performance and reducing the load on your device. Regular app updates are crucial to access these new features and ongoing fixes. To stay ahead, keep your Pluto TV app updated regularly. This ensures you get the latest enhancements and maintain optimal guide performance.